Hello, Ricker. My name is Laura from Select Government Services. I see that you scheduled a time to speak with one of our specialists about the GSA and government contract opportunities. Now, based on our initial qualifying criteria and research that we conducted prior to that phone call with you, we did identify that there are quite a few opportunities for your industry and business. Within that email you received, please scroll down to the bottom and click on that link. This will open a six-page document that will provide you a greater understanding of the GSA and the value that it may provide to your company. Now, at a cursory glance, of course, you appear to qualify, but again, the specialist will go greater into detail regarding that with you personally. Please understand that when you speak with the specialist, the conversation will be about your business and your industry. The appointment has been scheduled for today at 1 o'clock. July 10th, and that is Eastern Standard Time. If there is anything that comes up that may keep you from making this appointment at the scheduled time, please email or call me immediately, and I would be more than happy to reschedule that for you. Now, in preparation for this appointment, our specialist will research your company and specific industry so that we can ensure that this program is definitely a good fit for you. Our situational assessment has shown that there is ample work out there that will fit your business. So please respect the time and effort that they will put in to be prepared to speak with you. The appointment typically will necessitate about 25 minutes of your time. So we look forward to speaking with you personally today at 1 o'clock. That's July 10th, and that is Eastern Standard Time. Please try to be in front of your computer and have other key personnel present. After this consultation or evaluation, you will have a full understanding of the benefits of working with the federal government and the potential for your firm in terms of growth and increased revenue. If you need anything or have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact me personally. Thank you.